And what I might do is I might make another video later after I order this new piece, you know, to install this one, and I may get a clip for this side and get the bolts. There's probably another bolt just like this one, and I'm too short. I've only got one for here because the other one had popped out from before, and then there's going to be one there. And see, you can see where it looks like there was a washer around there to begin with. Well, I'll bet you it was something like that. And it just over time vibrated out and the little clip came out. It was probably one of those sandwich clips that kind of go in like that. And then it's got a hole on it with threads on it, and then you thread that in. So I'll make a video of that next time. Well, that's all I got for you for this time. I don't know exactly what I'm going to make, what video I'm going to make next time, but maybe, just maybe, it might be how to install chains, you know, for snow chains on this car. I've got some cable chains, and we've never had to drive in the snow with them just yet, but we got them anyways just in case we ever need them, and I want to go through a nice trial section, time, make a couple videos of it to show you that if I can install the chains, maybe you can do it too, and I'll do a dry run right here in the garage because I need to do that to refresh my memory on how to install these tire chains. So maybe you'll see that video next time. Just keep watching my videos. You never know what you're gonna get. Well, I just worked on my car, and I've got to get another one of these little shields for underneath the tire, in front of the tire. What am I going to talk about next time? I'm going to make a video of that when I get that, and I'll put that back up. It's actually like a little diverter behind a tire, but instead it's in front of this back tire for some reason. There was one right here, and it broke. And I'll install that next time, but, well, when I get it, I'll make a video of it. How about that? But what am I going to talk about next time? I think it might have to do with something downstairs. Let's see. And Mommy's been talking to me about it. She really wants this done. I guess now's the time to do it. Oh, it's not there. It's down this way. Okay, it's in the bathroom. What is it? Oh, it has to do with the tub enclosure, I guess. Oh. And what is it gonna be? Okay, well, there's tile on the walls. I see some gaps. Look at that. Look at that. There and there and there. This looks a little suspect in there. There's a little bit that's missing right there. Here's some more. Here's some more. Check over here. Here's a little bit more. And the more I look at this grout, the more places I see. There's another spot there. And I was going to get just a caulk gun and put some caulking in there and wipe it off. And I could do that if I wanted to. But, you know, the more I look at this, the more things I see. See, there's a little line there. Here's a little hairline crack right in there. Here's some more. There's some more there. Look at that down there. And there's more there. So, like I say, I could put some caulking in there, wipe it, clean it off. But this is not white grout. It's kind of like an off-white grout, and there's a lot going on here. So I thought what I would do is clean up the different areas and put some grout in there. And I have some grout in the garage that's just this very same color, and I thought I could clean up different little areas of it. Let's see if I can. There's another little bit. It just looks like it's a little tired. And see down in here, you can see gaps now. Down in there, it looks like they put grout before. See down there? Well, what I'll end up doing is probably caulking that. And usually, like, I get white caulking. I'll clean up that and put white caulking, but this tub is kind of an almond. It's an almond color. See, it's not white all the way. It's kind of, see the baseboard? See, that's white. And look at this over here. Slightly a different color. So I could get some almond caulking at the store. First I'll clean up all the grout line and scrape it and clean it a little bit, and I'll put almond down there. And I could get some caulking like that too. It's just, I'm looking at this and I'm gonna do a little poking around and see what I can do about that. I was thinking about just putting grout, and I could just put it and fill in the different areas, but I might clean that out a little bit first. I don't have any tools. You can go to the store, and I've gone to Home Depot before, and I've looked. I've never had to really scratch grout out of tile before, but they have little things, you know, a little scraper that goes up this way that's very thin that you could kind of use, that has kind of an abrasive end to it that you can kind of clean that out. I think there's a couple different ones that I could get and put grout in there. See, I don't have to re-grout the whole thing. I mean, I'll look at this a lot closer and make a decision what to do about it. You see, here's some grout that's missing there. I could clean that up a little bit. I don't want to chip it out too much for fear I could scratch the tub or crack the tile. But see, there's a nice bit that's missing out of there, and it just looks like it needs a little bit of attention to it. So maybe I'll show a video of that next time. You never know. Okay, keep watching my channel. Maybe I can help you save even more money around the house. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. And what am I going to show you next time? I have no idea what I'm going to show you next time, but I did make a quick video the other day on possibly having to install a GFCI electrical outlet to replace a failed one. Not here in the garage, but somewhere in the house. Now, you might say, hey, you know what? Just speaking of electrical outlets were in the garage here, and all the electrical outlets in your garage are supposed to have a GFCI breaker on there. And see, we can see this light is working. There's no GFCI outlet there, is there? But you look in your garage and see if you can find one anywhere else. And son of a gun, here's one right here. And let's just press the test button and see if the light goes. That's plugged in to my light over here, my construction light. Let's see if it's off now. Yes, it is. It's off now. And let's see if that electrical outlet over there is connected to this one. It should be. Let's go look over here. See, the light's off now, isn't it? So that is connected to this GFCI electrical outlet. So the test button I pressed was the black one there, and I'm going to push the red one back in, press it in there hard. I pressed it in all the way. It seemed to have gone. Okay, let's walk back here. The light's on. We know the power's on. Look over here. And voila, the light's back on. Incidentally, if you have an electrical outlet and it's on a GFCI and your GFCI plug, you cannot reset it. Let's say you think this is not working, and that's what's happening inside the house at an electrical outlet that I think I have to replace. and I press the red button to reset it, nothing happens. I press the black one, it's not popped out, but I think the red button is already popped out inside the house. I can't reset it. And you know what happens with that? Sometimes it's because your electrical circuit breaker on your house connected to those, maybe that tripped. Maybe it tripped and it popped your button out, your test button out, and you can't reset it until your breaker gets turned back on. You have to have power on your GFIs before you can reset the button. As far as I know, I'm pretty sure 99.9% because I've had that happen before. Okay, so always check that, and that's what I'm gonna have to do with the one inside the house, but I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna have to replace the entire electrical outlet. And don't worry, when I get ready to do that, I'll get in depth with that once I have the electrical outlet here, and I'll go step by step and show you how it's done. I'll make a video of it, of course I will. So keep checking my channel if you're interested in something like that. If you want to check other things, I got 2,685 videos on my channel right now. And once you see this particular video, you might see that, hey, he's got way more than that now. I've got enough material on my outside drive on my computer that I've got probably enough to make another 500 videos of different things that I've already done, and I'm anxious to get those on YouTube as well, because hey, the more videos I make, the more you will learn. I've got a whole series on fixing a drywall deck repairs and stairs and all kinds of stuff. Oh man, that thing took me maybe 6 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks to make all these videos. I have not uploaded them to my channel yet, and I'll be doing that here soon. And like I said, if you see this particular video, maybe I've already got those on there too. But check out my channel for all kinds of things. I like to save people money, and I enjoy doing it by making these videos. Okay, see you next time.